Hello, this is Jerry Stafford, and this video is going to explain if and else, and potentially here nested ifs. So we're going to start here with the boundaries homework, and we're going to, go straight down to where the if statement is. Now remember, this is drawing a picture of 600 by 800, and then we're drawing squares within this. It's going to prompt you for the position, XY coordinates of the squares you want to draw and how big they're supposed to be. And we have an if statement to check all of that. So if you look at it here, it's if x is less than 0 and x is less than the picture width and y is less than 0 and uh, oh, here's a mistake. And y is supposed to be less than the picture height. And x plus the width is less than the picture width. Now this part, okay, those handled the coordinates. This part has to do with the thing that you're drawing. Width, of course, relates to the width of the box you're drawing. So if it's x plus the width is less than the picture width, and y plus the height is less than the picture height, it'll go ahead and draw the box. Otherwise, else it'll give you this error code. So that kind of describes if and else. So basically, if all of this is true, it'll go ahead and draw the box, but if it's false, it'll go to this else statement and then print out the line that, the specified range is out of bounds. Now, we could break this down. The user may not know if it's the coordinates that are out of bounds or the box size that's out of bounds. So if we wanted to, change this a little bit and make this work in another way, we could close that if statement and then create another one and then make an if statement for this bit right here. So now we have a nested if. So it's still going to draw this box if both of these conditions are true, but now we can add, let's say, a more specific message to that inner if, and we'll say that the specified box size is out of bounds. And then we can say the specified x, y coordinates are out of bounds. So that way, the user will get a more specific message about what's going on with their inputs, if in case they put a wrong one. So that's it. That's if and else and nested ifs.